Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically turn off Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data when you reach a certain place, for example like at work on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now in order for us to do this, we need to use Bixby routine. So let's see how you can do this. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, you want to go down and tap on advanced features. Then we go down and tap on Bixby routines. In here, tap on add routine at the bottom, and then we need to put in the if condition. So tap on the add button, and we say that if we are at a certain place, and then now what we want to do is put in the address of that place that you want to add. So for example, let's say your workplace is at this particular address. You put in the address, and then it say here when I arrive, then or when I leave. So we choose when I arrive, then it will execute the command instead of when you leave. And then tap on done. Okay, next we said we need to choose the then condition. So if condition, then we have to choose the then action. So we tap on the add button, and then we choose connections, and then we say Wi-Fi to off. So we select off for Wi-Fi and tap on done, and then we add another then, and then we tap on connections, and in here we choose mobile data or cellular data, and we choose on. We tap on, and then tap on done. Okay, so when we are at a certain place, then our Wi-Fi is set to off, and we will switch on mobile data. And what happens when the routines end? When the routines end, it will reverse the action. So here it will reverse. So Wi-Fi will be on and mobile data will be off. Okay, so we tap on next, and then you can give your routine a name, work, Wi-Fi off. So you can name it whatever you like, and then tap on done. Alright, so now it is saved. It say want routines to start when you arrive, and you can choose not now or at a place. Okay, so we can tap on that routine, you can check on it. Okay, and now when you arrive at a certain location, this one will get activated. Okay, you may also need to add another routine so that when you leave work, then you turn off mobile data and turn on your Wi-Fi. So or you can have the routine set up so that when you get home, Wi-Fi will be switched on and mobile data turn off. So you can add in a routine something like this: add routine if, say, if you're at home or when you leave work. So again, we choose a place. So we can choose a place, and then at work or my current location, or pick a place. So you can pick a place from a map, and when you reach home or when you leave, so you can choose a place when you leave. So you can say when I leave, and then you choose the address when you leave that particular address. Now again, I'm going to use this particular address so that when you leave that address. Okay, so when you leave that address, we tap on done, and so now we have selected the place. We choose then, and then we say connections, and then we say Wi-Fi, and then we choose to off, then tap on done, and then you can add in, tap on add, and then you choose connections. So I think I'm just making a mistake on that. So Wi-Fi on, and then we tap on the actions and we choose connections, mobile data, and then off, and then tap on done, and then we choose next, and then we say work, Wi-Fi on, and then tap on done, and that's it. So we have work Wi-Fi on when we arrive and work Wi-Fi off when we leave. So let's test out this routine. So I'm going to go back to my home screen. Okay, so I'm going to open up this location app, and let's say you can see at the moment my Wi-Fi is on, and let's say if I go to that particular address right here, so 280, let me just try to find 280 here on the map. 280. Okay, so we're going to this address here, 280. You can see right here 280. Okay, so we go there and I'm going to tap on the play button. Okay, so you should see Wi-Fi will be switching off and mobile data turning on. So at the moment it's still not turning off by itself. It should be. So I'm just going to double check on my GPS here to make sure that I'm at a correct location. If I'm not at the correct location, it might not work. Okay, so in this case we also want to check the routine as well. So routines, we go down and check the routines, make sure it is turned on. So my routines in here, make sure the routine is activated. Okay, so we've got one routine running. Okay, I'm just going to try again with this mock locations, just trying to get it right. Okay, so I'm going to go back to that particular address. Now again, my Wi-Fi is on, and I'm just going to zoom in so I can see the address. Just around here, 280. So 280 right here, and we're going to tap on the execute button to change my current location. And you can see Wi-Fi is now turned off and my mobile data is turned on. And if I say I'm going to leave that particular locations and go somewhere else and tap on the play button, then my mobile data should be switching off and it should try to turn my Wi-Fi on. Now whether this works or not will depends on my location here. If my location apps works properly, then my routines should be get executed. So I'm just going to need to make sure that I go somewhere else. And you can see my mobile data has been switched off and Wi-Fi has been turned on. So my GPS location, the mock location app, may not be running correctly or quick enough, so that's why it didn't execute the routines immediately. And that's it. So that's how you can use Bixby routines to automatically turn Wi-Fi on or off when you reach a certain place, and how you can turn on mobile data on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.